On everybody, this is Coach coming at you, Untouchable Customs. Hey, today is that day. After such a long time, I don't even want to go into all of those details, but right now I'm on my way to Chris's house, and we are going to jump in the truck with the trailer on it, and we are going to pick up Jock, and we'll be heading and bringing him back to Chris's shop. And the metal work will begin probably this weekend or maybe next week. I'm not sure on that, but one step closer, one step closer. I am really excited. Going to bring you the footage of loading Jock up, and we're actually going to pick up the four-door donor car Coronet, 69 Dodge Coronet, that has the engine and a few other parts that are going to go into Jock eventually. So we're going to go pick up the four-door first, take it to the house, pick up Jock, pick up all the pieces, and load Jock up and take him to Chris's house. So stay tuned. Be back. So I'm just getting to Chris's house. As you see, it's got the truck and trailer locked and loaded. We're getting ready to hit it. Stay tuned. Well, made it to our first stop. We are picking up the four-door donor car. Bought the four-door with an engine in it, trans, brand new engine, brand new trans, or rebuilt sometime last year. The only thing I've done to it so far is take the fenders off the hood and the trunk. So there'll be more coming with that, so hang tight. So as you can see, about to take the cover off, get it off the dollies, and we're gonna push it out. They're the quarters for the B sitting up top. It's been a while since I've been over here. There's a hood. I believe we're gonna use that instead of the one off of the B because that one's in better shape. Just gotta cut some holes. But yeah, here we go. YouTube too. I know. Wow. Well, step one is done. All loaded up. Headed over to where the bee is at, and going to drop off the 4-door, pick up the bee, and take them on out to Indiana.